Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel iTech Analytics Solutions. This is the complete Power BI DAX Basic to Advanced series, and this is our 31st video of this series, and we are learning about the time functions in this video. Let's try to understand what these time functions are in DAX. Time functions are essential for time-based reporting, filtering and visualization in Power BI. And these functions help to create calculations based on date and time. Let's see what all functions we have in this time functions. We have hour, minute, second, time and time value. Let's try to understand practically what these functions are and how we get the output. And also, if you want more information about all these functions, I've already given the links for every function, so you can click on these links. It will take you to the Microsoft website where you'll get all the explanations, syntax and even the examples to learn more about these functions. Right, so let's go to our Power BI desktop, and we already have a table here, and we'll see how we can use all the functions listed down on screen. Let's take new column. Assume that I have hour, minute, seconds, and I want to combine them and get the time. So what we'll do is we have a function called as time. And we can mention hour. I have a column called as hour, comma. Then we have minute. I'll take the column minute and seconds. Close the bracket, enter. Now the time function will take hour, minute, seconds, and then it will give me the output as a time. If you want to change the format, you can go to this and you have this time. You can change this to time as well, and you can change the format here. So whichever format you want, you can see that I'm getting this time. Now suppose I have a time and I want to extract hour, minute and second. We have functions hour, minute and second as well. Now let's assume that I have a time here and I want to extract hour, minute and second. Let's say I will mention get hour of, let's take the column time, enter, you will get the hour. So this hour function will extract the hour from the time. I want minute, I can extract minute as well by using minute function. Minute, and let's take time, enter. So now this will extract the minutes from the column. I want the seconds to be extracted, so we can do that as well. We can use second get seconds, and then I'll mention the column name function time, close bracket, enter. Now you can see I can extract hour, minute and seconds by using these functions. Imagine I have a column where the time is in text format and I want to convert that into time. So I can use time value, which will convert a time which is in text format to the time format. Let's go here, function time value. It lasts for the time text. We'll take time val, which is the column which has got the time as a text format. Press enter. You can see the time val, which is in the text format, will get converted to time format. So likewise, you can use time functions in your DAX. So this is about the time functions in this video. So if you think you want to have a better career in data analytics and data science, please do call us and email us with the contact mentioned on screen. We'll be very happy to provide you more information about the data analytics and data science. And if you want to get more skills, you can log into our website www.itsinc.in and get more information. And also you have a lot of free courses available. We can enroll there and you can learn a lot of data analytics and data science courses as well. And if you're still not following us on our social media portals, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, you can use the links provided in the description and you can follow us and get more information and also learn lot many things completely free. And thank you so much. I hope this video was informative and I think you liked it. And if you liked it, please give a like and a thumbs up. And also please don't forget to share this to many others who are willing to learn about the complete DAX. And please, you can also comment us your suggestions and your thoughts, which will help us. And also it is like an encouragement for us to give more informative videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in the next video of this series.